Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Have you ever felt afraid for no clear reason? Have you ever felt tired after a full night of sleep? Have you ever heard a small sound and your heart started to race?
Many people know that feeling. They often ask one question: what is wrong with me?
Many people think they are weak. They blame themselves every day.
But what if the problem is not weakness? What if your body is trying to protect you?
That sounds very different. Please tell us more.
Today, we will talk about a famous book. The book is called The Body Keeps the Score. It was written by Bessel Kolk.
The title already makes me curious. How can a body remember anything?
Here is something surprising. Some people forget what happened to them, but their body never forgets.
Wait, how is that possible?
The mind can hide a memory, but the body still holds the fear inside.
That gives me chills.
It gives many readers chills too.
Before we talk about the book, who is this author?
His story is not simple. He was born during a war. His father was sent to a labor camp. His family felt hunger. His family felt fear.
That is a hard way to start a life.
His own father never talked about the war. But sometimes his father got angry very suddenly.
So he understood fear before he became a doctor.
Exactly. Later, he worked with soldiers. They came home from war. He listened to their stories for many years.
Did he always believe the body remembers pain?
No. His patience changed his mind. He noticed something strange.
What did he notice?
Many soldiers said they wanted to forget, but their bodies could not forget. Their hands shook. Their hearts beat fast. Loud sounds made them jump, even in a safe room.
So their minds said, I am safe, but their bodies said, danger.
Exactly. That simple idea changed how many doctors understood trauma.
I think many people will understand this. Sometimes I know everything is fine, but my body still feels nervous.
Many people feel the same way. They often blame themselves. They think they are too weak or too sensitive. This book says something kinder. Your body may still be trying to protect you.
That feels like a warm message.
This book is not about blaming people. It is about understanding them.
Can you give us a picture for this idea?
Imagine a fire alarm. The fire is gone, but the alarm keeps ringing.
That would be very stressful.
Trauma can feel like that. The danger has ended, but the body still hears the alarm.
That picture is easy to understand.
Let me give you a modern example. A manager opens one email at work. The email is completely normal, but her heart starts racing. Her hands feel cold.
But nothing bad happened.
Nothing happened today, but years ago, an angry boss shouted at her the same way. Her body remembers that old fear. Even now, one email can wake it up.
So her body is still fighting an old battle.
Yes, and she is not weak. She is simply carrying an old memory in her body.
Many viewers today feel stressed all the time, even at home, even with family.
Modern life moves very fast. Our phones never sleep. Work follows us home. Many people smile outside but feel tired inside.
I think many viewers know that feeling.
Some people call themselves lazy, but maybe they are simply very tired, inside and out.
There's a big difference.
A very big difference. The body does not only carry muscles, It also carries memories.
Does trauma always come from war?
No, and this is one of the biggest lessons in this book. Trauma is not only one terrible event. Trauma can also grow slowly. One lonely child, one angry parent, one home without safety.
That feels very sad.
Pain is not a competition. One person's pain is still real.
I think many people compare their pain. They say others had it worse.
The author heard those words many times, but pain does not disappear because someone else suffered more. Your body only knows your own story.
That is a powerful sentence.
Let's think about a small child. Every night, the child hears shouting in the house. Every night, the child feels afraid. Years later, that child becomes an adult. The house is gone, the shouting is gone, but a loud voice can still make the heart race.
The body remembers those nights.
Even if the person cannot explain why. Here is something interesting. A baby cannot say, "I am afraid," but the baby's body already knows fear. The body learns before words come.
So the body remembers what the mind cannot even describe.
Exactly.
I think many people have asked themselves, why am I like this?
This book gives a gentle answer. Maybe your body learned to survive. It did not learn to relax.
That changes everything.
Instead of asking, "What is wrong with me?" we can ask a different question. What happened to me?
That question feels much softer.
And sometimes it opens the door to healing.
The author never says people are broken.
No, he believes people can heal. The body learned fear. The body can also learn safety.
That gives hope.
Healing is not forgetting the past. Healing is teaching the body that today is different.
I really like that idea.
There is another key idea in this book. The body is always speaking.
Speaking. What does that mean?
Your shoulder may be speaking. Your stomach may be speaking. Your heart may be speaking. Pain, tightness, and tiredness are often messages.
So my body is trying to tell me something.
Yes. Many people try to fight their feelings. They say, "Stop being afraid." But the body does not learn through anger. It learns through safety.
Can you give us a picture for this?
Think about a scared dog. If you shout, the dog becomes more afraid. If you stay calm, the dog slowly learns to trust again.
So our bodies also need patience.
Kindness is not weakness. Sometimes it is the beginning of real strength.
We haven't reached the most surprising part yet, have we?
No, we have not. For many years, doctors believed talking was enough. But sometimes words cannot reach deep pain.
Why not?
Because some pain came before you could even speak. Think about that baby again. The fear was stored in the body first.
So talking alone cannot always reach it.
Right. This is why the author looked for something new. What if the body needs to join the healing too?
What do you mean by that?
Many people find slow breathing helpful. Gentle movement can help too. You can feel your own body again, slowly. This can help.
That sounds very different from just taking medicine.
Medicine can help some people, but medicine alone cannot give you safety. Every person still needs to feel safe inside.
That makes me think about children.
Children teach us something important. A child grows best with calm voices, kind words. a calm face, someone who stays close when things are hard.
Those sound small.
They look small, but they shape a whole life.
I never thought about it that way.
Here is another example. Two people lose their jobs on the same day. One feels sad. The other feels complete panic.
Why is the reaction so different?
Their past is different. One person feels only today's problem. The other person's body remembers an older fear. Fear of losing love. Fear of being alone.
So today's problem can wake up yesterday's pain.
Exactly. And that's why healing often takes time.
This book makes people less afraid of themselves.
Many readers say exactly that. They stop asking, "What is wrong with me?" They start asking, "How can I care for myself?"
Those are very different questions.
And different questions often lead to different lives.
I also noticed something about the author himself. He grew up with fear, and he still chose to help people with fear.
That is true. He once said something simple but powerful. Every person he met wanted just one thing. They wanted peace.
Don't we all want that?
I think we do.
What do you think is the biggest lesson from this book?
I think it is this. Your body is not your enemy. Your body has been protecting you, maybe for many years.
Even when it felt uncomfortable.
Fast breathing, tight shoulders, a racing heart. These may simply be old ways to survive.
That changes how we see ourselves.
When we understand our own bodies, we become kinder to ourselves.
And maybe kinder to other people too.
We never know what someone else is carrying. The smiling person may be deeply tired. The quiet person may have lived through great pain.
Sometimes a little kindness can change someone's whole day.
Sometimes it can change a life.
So maybe healing begins with understanding.
Understanding ourselves, understanding others, and believing that change is still possible.
The past is real, but it does not have to own our future.
Beautifully said.
Today we learned something very important. Our bodies remember, but our bodies can also learn something new.
Healing is often slow, but slow is not the same as impossible.
Maybe someone watching needed to hear this today. Maybe you have been fighting yourself for many years. Maybe today is the first day you choose understanding instead of blame.
Your story is not finished. Your body has carried you this far. Now it may be time to help your body feel safe again.
Sometimes the strongest person is not the one who never cried. Sometimes the strongest person is the one who finally says, "I want to heal."
And that one small sentence can begin a new life.
If you feel very sad or very scared, please talk to someone you trust. If today's video helped you, please like and subscribe. And if you become a member, you can get our e-PDF. This PDF is written in your native language, so you can understand the key ideas more clearly and review them easily. It includes the main points, self-protection steps, and new words. Many members say it really helps them at work every day. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.